Have you ever noticed how some videos on YouTube start with a short ad before the main content? Of course you did. They are hard to miss. Well, those are YouTube ads, Google's very own video ad tools. YouTube ads are with billions of people watching YouTube every month, where businesses and creators can promote their content to a global audience. So actually, it's no longer just a video sharing platform. It's a massive marketing ecosystem that lets advertisers reach the right audience with the right message. Hi, I'm Furkan. I'm a digital marketer and have been working in digital marketing, especially performance advertising, for almost 10 years. On this channel, I simplify complex topics about PPC channels like Google and Meta and share my real experience to help businesses truly grow in the digital world. And today, we are going to dive deep into one of the most powerful advertising tools out there, YouTube ads. You know, every brand wants to drive traffic, attract leads, and boost sales, but that's not all. Most of them also know the advantage of being seen and they want to be remembered. That's where YouTube ads comes in. Through advanced targeting based on users' interests, demographics, and behavior, brands can show their videos to exact people most likely to engage with them. Imagine someone is looking for a new running shoes. The person made the research on Google or somewhere else, maybe already visited your website if you're using Google search ads or shopping ads, and he is in the phase of decision making. Then he goes to YouTube to watch a video and boom, your ad for the running shoes he was looking for right before the video they are about to watch. That's what we call marketing in action. But here's the challenge. Running effective YouTube ads isn't always easy. For example, there are multiple ad formats to choose from. Skippable in-stream ads, non-skippable in-stream ads, bumper ads, discovery ads, and even must-have ads on YouTube's homepage. Each has its own purpose, cost, and creative approach. Add to that the bidding system, budget limits, and the need for strong video production. And it's clear that many advertisers struggle to find what really works. Plus, competition is fierce. Big brands dominate premium placements, and viewers can skip your ad in just 5 seconds. So your message has to grab attention instantly. But when you truly understand how YouTube ads work, everything starts to make sense. First of all, you begin with a clear campaign objective, whether it's awareness, traffic, or conversions. Then you define your audience through Google Ads advanced targeting based on age, gender, interest, location, or even remarketing lists. After that, you select the ad format that fits your goal. Set your budget and bidding strategy and let Google's auction system place your ads. Once the campaign goes live, you monitor metrics like impressions, views, view rate, and conversions to see what's performing best. This is where strategy meets optimization. You test, learn, and adapt. This turns your ads into powerful storytelling tools. At the end of the day, YouTube ads are more than just short clips before videos. They are a way to connect emotionally, visually, and meaningfully with your audience. With billions of viewers, detailed analytics, and full integration with Google's advertising system, YouTube ads give every brand, big or small, a chance to build awareness, drive growth, and create real results. Sure, it takes effort, testing, and creativity. But when done right, YouTube ads can transform how your brand communicates online. So, long story short, YouTube ads are one of the most powerful ways to increase visibility in the digital world. If you're considering starting YouTube ads, define your goal first, test with a small budget, and learn from the data. Meanwhile, we'll continue to share videos here to help you understand digital marketing and advertising together. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow the upcoming videos. See you in the next one.